first question we have for you. Uh, so many students may or may not have a prior research experience like post PG, and few of them might start their whole research experience from postgraduate itself. So, what do you think is the role a guide plays in pushing them to start with the research and also successfully complete it? Like what is the role of a guide in creating that atmosphere where the student gets comfortable enough and they have the adequate resources to explore and exploit in order to finish their research? The question is open for both of you.
About the research engagement is the very idea of research. It means you're trying to be inquisitive, you're searching, and human beings have always searched. So you are researching, you're searching again. So you are, first of all, already some search has already been done and it's going on. So you are adding up to it. That's the first thing you must recognize about research itself. That's why it's called as a research. It's not the first search, and you're not the first person who's searching. That's the first recognition that all of us must have. Right. The second very important thing is the guide is not searching. The guide is not necessarily meant to search. It is the scholar who's meant to search. Right. That's the second point we must keep in mind, which boils down to the fact that research is a very, very self-driven exercise. You understand? The guide will only be able to guide. He will tell you, you might see a pond there. It's possible. You might see a pond. But going and searching and finding out whether the pond is there or not is the scholar's responsibility. The guide will be able to say by a sense of intuition and by a little bit of his own past searching that he has been doing all this while, that given these signs, you might probably see something around. It's possible that you might see something there. But actually finding out whether it is there or not will be the scholar or the student's responsibility. That's a third very important thing that you must keep in mind, which means that the guide can help in the searching, provided the researcher cooperates with the guide.
Yes.
Right. But the responsibility of the guide comes in when you have a student who is willing to make that effort, that the guide's responsibility becomes very high because then he has to also search along with the student. The guide to be familiar with the area is his responsibility. That's the guide's responsibility. And he has to, the guide who the person is must be considered. Somebody is coming and working and saying, I want to work on happiness. I must, as a guide, and if that student is a very cooperative and a student who's willing to search, willing to make the effort to search, then it is my responsibility as a guide to also read up on the happiness.
And convey my wishes in celebrating the 1 year. Thank you for having both of us. The answer to the question would be research, apart from whatever Gerard sir has said, I feel research is a structural process that just doesn't begin when you start doing your PhD. It is a process that actually comes to your mind much before you embark on a particular project. So research cannot be actually considered as something just for the sake of doing a PhD, but whatever you enter into, be it an idea of looking into a particular context, concept, anything involves the research. So how can we motivate researchers? Perhaps that particular process, I believe, starts right after you complete your 10th standard. Because 10th standard is when as per the education system, everybody gets a lot of confusion. Should I go for science, math? Should I become a doctor? Should I become an engineer? So there begins the problem. And we see a lot of people who have done science entering into commerce industry, like doing BCom, and then entering into economics, myself as an example. So perhaps at that particular point of time, when an idea can be more solidified, which in my case happened only once I started doing economics. I think it is at that point of an intersection that research as a field of interest can also be enhanced. That would be my answer.